Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine and has 4-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, we have that nice tow hook and hitch, backup camera of course, we have the mud flaps on the rear, and front wheel wells, as well as a nice script running board. We have heated mirrors, and moving to the front, we do have 2 tow hooks, a block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty nicely, and we do have this nice black leathering and black leather perforated seats. Plenty of door space, nice brown accents on the door, and of course if you don't need that extra person, you can fold this down for some arm space and 2 cup holders. You also have 2 cup holders right there, 12 volt, 2 USBs, and 110 volt right there, and your seats do lift up for additional storage space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered with the same leathering we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space again, wood accents on the door, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, and blind spot detection. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 141,503 kilometers. We have a nice little leather wrapped steering wheel. We have our toggle for a main menu there, cruise control there, phone, voice, mute, and your volume and modes there. Looking at your main screen here, we have My View, which has engine information, configure My View, trip 1, and so on and so forth. We have Trip and Feel, which has all these fun stuff, truck info, such as tire pressure, digital speedometer, so on and so forth, towing status, off-road, and other settings. Continuing our look here, we have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift with your speed adjusters there, plenty of space there for storage, 2 cup holders, storage here as well with the USB and USB-C, and this does close, providing you with the sink and nice wood accents. We have a nice leather-wrapped center console with a ton of storage down there. We have heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, volume tune, 12 volt outlet, and 110 volt outlet. You have your trailer disconnect, pro trailer backup, and your 4-wheel drive capabilities. You also have your drive modes right there, which are nice, normal, tow and haul, snow, eco, and sport. Continue our look here. We also have our traction, hazards, auto stop, auto start. We have storage up there as well. And up here we do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking at our main screen here, you do get a nice Wi-Fi hotspot. You have your audio, compass, and what phone's connected, which has Sirius XM capabilities. You can control your climate from here and down there as well. What phone's connected and what phones have been connected before, any apps you've downloaded, settings such as Bluetooth, phone, Wi-Fi, Android Auto, and so on and so forth. And we do have storage in the glove compartment as well. If interested in this vehicle, the stock number is EC20749B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.